let's start with an overhand weave on the left. With your left foot forward, turn right to underhand weave, and turn left to overhand weave, and open it up, and sweep back, and sweep up to pinwheel, and come down on the left and overhand weave, and right turn, and then right turn again, so you do a right turn 360 back to overhand weave, and then we're going to open it up, stall your left poi between your leg, bring it to the front into overhand butterfly, and now get into that thread the needle that we were working on, and then come back to the butterfly, and we'll do a butterfly turn around to the right, so right takeout, turn right to underhand butterfly, right takeout again, turn right to overhand butterfly, and now a left turn 360, left takeout, turn left to underhand butterfly, left takeout again, and come back into overhand butterfly, come up to angel, angel again, and back down, and now you thread the needle again, open it up, and turn left, and then we're going to stall the left hand, and then sweep back, step left, sweep over the top away from me, or not, and then step left again, so you're back where you were, overhand weave, and then open it up, and then giant on the left, back to overhand weave, and giant on the left, back to overhand weave, turn right to underhand weave, and giant on the right, back to underhand weave, and giant on the right, back to underhand weave, and underhand giant, turn left to overhand giant, turn right to underhand giant, and now into the swivel, and turn left to overhand giant, now to overhand weave, and open it up, sweep back, step left, turn away from me into the sweep over, back, step your left foot forward, back into overhand weave, and back to giant, overhand weave, back to giant, overhand weave, back to giant, turn right in the giant to underhand giant, underhand weave, back to giant, underhand weave, back to giant, underhand weave, back to giant, turn left to overhand giant, turn right to underhand giant, turn left to overhand giant, and now in your swivel, turn right to underhand giant, underhand weave, open it up, stall right, turn left, underhand butterfly, left turn around 360, so left takeout, turn left to overhand butterfly in the back, left takeout, turn left to underhand butterfly on the right. Now we'll do a right turn 360, right takeout, turn right to overhand butterfly in the back, right takeout, turn right to underhand butterfly on the front, hip reel, come back to butterfly, drop stall, counterclockwise corkscrew, turn left with the corkscrew, bring it up to pinwheel, come down on the left, and stall.